Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MSI Analytics. So in today's video, we are going to spice things up in Power BI with the REPT function. Ever wanted to turn boring numbers into shiny stars or even throw in a thumbs down for extra drama? Stick around and I'll show you exactly how. So let's jump in. So first of all, what is the REPT function? Well, it's like a copy machine for text. You give it some text and it repeats it however many times you want. To help explain, I have whipped up this simple product table with 3 columns: product, total sales and product rating. Our ratings are between 1 and 5, but numbers are boring, right? Let's make them more interesting. So, to warm things up, let's try something basic. I'll create a new measure and we will call it test 1 because why not keep it simple? So I'm going to name this measure as test 1 and then I'm going to choose the REPT function. After that, let's say we want the text ABC to repeat 3 times. So this is the magic formula and then we will press enter. So as you can see that our measure is already created and this is how it looks like in the table view. The text ABC is repeating 3 times. So now let's see into a visual format. For that I'm going to select a simple card visual and I'm going to put this measure inside this visual. Now let's change the color of the background to make it more visible. And here you go, this visual is showing us the text ABC repeated 3 times. So now what if we choose 1 instead of 3? So now it is going to give ABC text 1 time only. Okay, so now is the time for the fun part, turning these dull numbers into stars. So for that we are going to create a new measure. And this time I am going to name this measure as rating. After that we are again going to use the REPT function and then we have to use a star. So for that I am going to copy a star emoji. We are going to go back to the report, inverted commas, paste the star that you just copied from any random website on Google. And then we will choose sum of the product rating and then close the formula and press enter. Now our measure is created. Now let's visualize this measure. For this I am going to select a simple table and I am going to put product inside the table. So I am going to select the product for my column and then rating, the rating measure that we just created. And here you go. It is showing us 1 star for air purifier because air purifier had the rating of 1. And then it shows us 5 stars for Bluetooth speaker. As you can see that we have 5 stars for Bluetooth speaker. Now our products have ratings that shine. Okay, but what if a product doesn't have a perfect 5-star rating? Shouldn't we show our disappointments? So now let's add a little extra flair by tossing in a thumbs down for the missing stars. So I will simply just tweak the formula, and if the rating is less than 5, it will fill the gaps with thumbs down emojis. For example, if a product gets 3 stars, it will get 2 thumbs down for the missing ones. Now, our ratings are not only useful but also judgy. So I will just simply tweak the formula. So what it will do is that if the rating is less than 5, it will fill the gap with thumbs down emojis. So for example, if a product gets 3 stars, it will get 2 thumbs down for the missing ones. So now let's see how we can do it. I'm just simply going to go back to the measure that we created. And I'm going to write and REPT function again. Then I'm going to put the thumbs down emoji. After that 5 minus sum, and then we will choose our rating out of 5 column and then close the formula. And then after writing the formula, press enter. Now our ratings are not only useful but also judgy. We have thumbs down, and then we also have the star. And that's it. We took a simple table and added some interesting emojis and made Power BI a little more fun. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed the emoji drama, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give us your feedback below in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.